Today, working with PDF files has become a daily task for many people, whether it's reading documents, editing files, signing forms, or sharing reports. But the problem with many PDF tools is that they are either too complicated, too heavy, or they lock important features behind multiple tools. Sometimes you need one tool for editing, another for converting, and another one just to sign a document. This makes the whole workflow slow and frustrating. So in this video, I'm going to show you a powerful all-in-one PDF software called SwifDoo PDF developed by SwifDoo. This tool combines multiple PDF features into one simple interface so you can manage your documents much more efficiently. SwifDoo PDF actually offers a wide range of tools for handling PDFs. You can edit text directly inside a PDF, change fonts, insert images, add hyperlinks, and modify content without recreating the entire document. It also includes powerful PDF conversion, allowing you to convert PDFs to formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, EPUB, JPG, and many other file types. And you can also create PDFs from Office documents, images, and other files while keeping the formatting intact. Another useful thing about this software is that it is available for multiple devices and platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, so you can work with your PDF documents from different devices depending on your workflow. For this demonstration, I'm using the Windows version. To download it, you can simply search for SwifDoo PDF on Google, or you can use the download link provided in the video description, which will take you directly to the official download page. Once you open the page, you'll see the Windows download button, and you can download it for free from there. I've already downloaded and installed it on my system, so let's go ahead and open the software and take a look at how it works. Managing documents is also very easy with the merge and split tools. You can combine multiple PDF files into a single document for better organization, or split a large PDF into smaller files or individual pages when needed. The software also includes annotation features that let you highlight text, underline important sections, add notes, and place comments directly inside your documents, which is useful when reviewing files or collaborating with others. Another helpful feature is PDF compression. With SwifDoo PDF, you can reduce the size of large PDF files without losing noticeable quality, which makes sharing documents faster and easier. The software also allows you to create PDFs from many types of documents such as Word files, Excel sheets, and even images. For documents that require signatures, SwifDoo PDF includes an electronic signature feature that allows you to sign PDFs using handwritten signatures, typed text, or signature images, which can simplify digital paperwork and approvals. One of the interesting additions in this software is the AI functionality. SwifDoo AI can summarize long PDF documents, translate content into other languages, explain complex text, and even help proofread or rewrite sections of a document, which can save a lot of time when working with large or detailed files. Security is also important when working with documents, and SwifDoo PDF allows you to protect your PDFs with password permissions so you can control who is able to view, copy, print, or edit the file. Overall, SwifDoo PDF is a lightweight yet powerful PDF solution that brings editing, converting, merging, compressing, signing, AI tools, and document protection into a single, easy-to-use application. If you regularly work with PDF files, this tool can definitely make your workflow much faster and more convenient. If you want to try it yourself, make sure to check out the download link in the video description. The link is available there, so you can download SwifDoo PDF and explore all of these features on your own.